Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. In today's video, I'm actually down at Thompson Motor Speedway for the Mission 22 track day with my buddies. So we're here to have fun, raise some money, and play with cars. As you can probably see over right there, it is super rainy and drizzly and nasty, 45 degrees. So we're gonna take it easy, but still have a good time. So yeah, let's get into it, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Got my helmet ready to go, so let's hit our first session. That's fine. That's all I want. Look at my lonely girl just sitting there ready to go home. And what's actually kind of funny is on this track day, I had, of course, my GT4, which is Guards Red. And then on the other end of the garage, there was another Cayman GT4 in yellow, which totally upstaged me in every aspect of driving on the track. The cool thing about this one is this is actually for sale. So I'll drop a link in the description of the video if you guys are interested in checking it out. Where can they get it?
Boss Auto.
You can pick this up at Boss Auto, so I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to go check it out. Well, that's the end of the event. I am freezing beyond belief. My hands are actually bright red. Everyone's loading up their vehicles and heading out. It was rainy and wet the whole day, but it was a great time. Raised some money from Mission 22 and got to hang out with friends and just have fun time with cars. So I did end up taking the Porsche out on the track, and it was sketchy at best, but I'm glad I did it. It gives me a better idea of car control and kind of what my car is able to do, even in inclement weather. So as always, appreciate you guys checking out these videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of new videos, and I'll see you in the next one.